Hello everyone. Today we will read linear momentum. So in your book you will see that it is written momentum is defined as the quantity of motion contained in a body. It means what? Simply you just know that linear momentum, it is denoted by P, and momentum is equals to what? Means momentum means momentum is denoted by capital P, and this momentum P is equals to mv. Okay, where this m is equals to mass of the body and v is equals to velocity of the body. Okay, so you can say that what is momentum? Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Simply you should know that momentum is the product of mass and velocity. So that's why it is written as linear momentum, and momentum both are the same thing. So linear momentum is defined as the quantity of motion contained in a body. Since it is multiplied by v, and mass is means what? Mass is the quantity contained in a body. That's why it is written that it is the quantity of motion contained in a body. But actually linear momentum P is equals to mv, where m is this and v is this. Linear momentum P is equals to mv. Now what is its unit? See, in unit, whenever you will find the unit, you will unit of P is equals to what? Here, since it is m into v, so unit of m is what? Mass is kg, and unit of velocity is what? That is meter per second. So from here we are getting that its unit is kg meter per second. Okay, this is the SI unit. This is SI unit. It is having a direction. It is associated with a direction, so it is a vector quantity. Okay, it is a vector quantity. Now, another thing that I want to tell you, that using this formula, that is P is equals to mv, you will get so many problems in physics like this. Suppose here it is written that a person, Ram, whose mass is given and whose velocity is given, suppose it is 5 meter per second, and another person, Sam, whose mass is this one and velocity is equals to 4 meter per second. Now you have to find what? That is, you have to find their and the question will be in this way, that compare their momentum. So you will write down P Ram is equals to 70 into 5, that is 350 meter per second, and that is P Syam is equals to how much? 60 into 4, that is equals to this much kg meter per second. So you can say that whose momentum is more. So you will simply write that momentum of P Ram is greater than what? P Syam. In this way you can calculate that whose momentum is greater. Some another questions also come from this momentum, that is, it is said that suppose there are two bodies whose same problem. Suppose there are two bodies whose mass is first one whose mass is 70 kgs and its velocity is this much, and second one mass is this much and velocity is this much. So after that it is asked that who will suppose after some time they suppose it will be said in this way, that suppose there are two cars. One is having mass. Another question number 2. Suppose there are two cars. Car 1, car A, its mass is equals to 50 kg. So suppose 500 kg, and another and it is coming with a velocity of how much? Suppose it is 50 kilometer per hour. Kilometer, not kilometer per hour, we will take in SI unit. It will be meter per second. Let we take meter per second. If it is in kilometer per hour, then you have to convert it into the meter per second. Means you have to change it into the SI unit. Otherwise, you cannot calculate. Suppose any one unit is in SI unit and another in CGS or any other. So you cannot do. Both you have to convert into the SI unit. Now car A this much, and car B. Let car B. Its mass is how much? Suppose it is 600 kg, and its velocity is how much? That it is also 550 meter per second. Then the question will be like this, that after some time, suppose after 5 seconds, both the car applied brake. Then who will travel more distance? Who will travel more distance to stop? So your answer will be what? At first you will find out that momentum of means P of car A. P of car A is how much? That is 500 into 50. So this is 25,000, that is kg meter per second. And the second one, that is PB, is equals to 600 into 50. So it will be 30, 1, 2, 3. Have I done any mistake? This is 500 into 50. So 3 and 6. Okay, this was 600, right? So this is kg meter per second. So you can see that whose momentum is more? This much for the P. Car B has the momentum more. So this car will travel more distance after applying the brake. Why? Because of because of its momentum is, since its momentum is more. That's why it will it is having more. In the definition what we have written, that in the definition we have written that defined as the quantity of motion. Quantity of motion. So since in this case the quantity of motion is more, so quantity of motion, you will write down that quantity of motion is more, so it will travel more distance. Means PB will travel more distance after applying the brake. So these are the applications of momentum. Okay.